sumakit tayo yun.
Okay na yun. Seniors, help me count from 1 to 10. They're gonna blow their balloons. And your mission is to make it as big as you could. After 10 seconds, you have to tie your balloon, right? Alright, 10 seconds, help me count. And timer starts from 10 to 1, right? Timer starts now. 10. 8. Alright, 1. Timer already. Tapos na. Nahalata mo yung madalayan sa school. Alright. Tie your balloons. Okay, this time guys, I need you to compare balloons. And you have to form one line. The biggest decide to the smallest. Go. Biggest to smallest. Compare balloons. Come on. Measure it. Of course, your humble guys already are there on the other side of it. On the stage. Okay, go compare. Alright, while the guys are doing this stuff, while they actually measure the balloons, how about I call now 10 girls? 10 girls to join the guys, come on, 10 girls. 10 girls. And since Sheila has been on stage already for quite some time, no, I'm not gonna call you. Give me 10 names. So that you can go on stage. Come on, Sheila. Go with the Sheila, right? Names. Oh guys, yeah, we're great. Guys, we're not part of the game. Break the girls. Give me 10 girls on stage. Come on. 10 girls. Go. 1, 2. Come on, girls. 1, 2, 3. Smallest balloon. I'm not saying any other thing. Just the smallest balloon. All right. What's your name? Mon. Guys, sorry, it's Mon's lucky day. All of you guys may be seated right now. It's gonna be feasting on these 10 girls. Alright, can we have a seat for Mon? Alright, girls. Now Mon will be sitting here. He's gonna be tied to this chair. Mon, please stay over there and sit. We're gonna cover his eyes. He's gonna be the lucky guy for tonight. Now girls, I ain't gonna ask you to blow the balloons. Alright, girls, you have to go around, of course, when the music plays, you have to dance a bit. And then if you want to be eliminated and not be the lucky girl to get the gimmick right after, or the parusa, or whatever we'll be having, it really depends if it's going to be a punishment or if it's going to be a reward for you. It really depends on how you look at it, alright? So you have to go around the circle, around Mon, when the music plays. When it stops, if you want to... Sinadya mo talaga yan, no? Parang hindi mo talaga hihigit. Ano ba ito eh? Alright, music please! Come on girls, go around Mon! Somebody sexy. Nobody wants to sit, nobody wants to get eliminated. You all want to be tonight with Mon? Grabe! Ang hirap naman. Why don't you sit and get eliminated in the game? You want to be with Mon for the rest of the night? You know, I'm going to be over with this game. Is it okay? Okay lang ba sa'yo, Mon, to have 10 girls with you tonight? Be drunk and get married? Okay na okay. Okay na okay. Gusto ko naman gusto. Okay na okay. Okay. Come on girls. You have to sit. Alright? You have to get... Don't worry. That's not the punishment. If you get to know the punishment, then you would want to sit. Really. I'm promising you. Alright. Go around. Sit on down. Come on. she gonna be the prom queen? Maybe. Thank you, Gab. You may now be seated. You're evicted, but it's gonna be a nice thing. All right, go girls. Girls, we have competition for more, and you're working girls too. All right. Now everybody seems to. But I think the winner is the girl in the middle. Perfect fit. Bigat mo na. What's your name? Queenie. Thank you, Queenie. Thank you very much for joining the game. Okay, we have 8 girls remaining. Who's gonna be the lucky one? Music. Come on. How's she there? Like what was your word? Wow. Oh, you did a great job. Why did you leave? What's your name?
Jaren na bigat. Gaano?
Bigat ba?
Oh, bigat eh.
Bigat lang ba yung naramdaman mo?
Bigat lang, bigat lang.
Nice to. Okay, girls. Last 7. Come on. Woo! Malakas ka rin, volleyball player. Do you wait, do you lift weights? Drummer. Yun naman pala. What's your name? Thank you very much. Okay, last 6. Bawal yan! What's your name? Jamie, thank you. Parang, okay ba yung nag-feed mo? Dami yung pusin.
Ayun, bibigat eh.
Okay. Music, please. Last 5. Kanina to? What's your name? Alvi, thank you. Okay, now at this point, I will be revealing the names of the girls so that Juan won't have any idea who is he gonna have for the night. All right, music, please. Your name anymore, but you did a great job. Thank you. All right, last 3. Thank you very much. All right, last 2. Come on. Come on. Alright. It's time now. Ready, Mom? Kiss me. Actually, we're waiting for the song because right now, well, according to my script, now you have a chance to kiss Mon 5 times. Now, Mon, it depends on you, or actually it depends on the audience, which part of this face is she gonna kiss? Alright? Face mo yung put. Mukha ka ng put. Okay! Grabe oh! Oh, stay here. It's okay. It's a friendly kiss. It just depends on the parts. Now I ask, who wanna give me the first part? Here. Yes. Sa malaking hindi. Ano hindi? Malaking tenga. Tenga! Tenga muna. Ikaw nga. Ikaw kasi. Muna. Steady. Gano'ng katagal? How long? 5 seconds. Okay.
1 second lang?
Grabe naman, 5 minutes na lang daw. 5 seconds, let's all count. Alright, ready? Not yet ready? How long should we wait for you? Come on, it's in the classmates ba kayo in college? Are you gonna be together in a school? Or are you gonna be studying for college? UST, what's your course? Mass Comm, and you?
UST din natin.
You put it! Okay now, consider it as your welcome kiss for UST. And, okay, ready? Tigers, are you ready? Alright! Bilang kayo ha, eto na. Ready, set, go! Wala pa, grabe! Upo ka kaya, parang pinapahirapan mo siya. Upo ka. Ano ba gusto niyo? The guy will kiss the girl or the girl will kiss the guy? Both, half.
Grabe naman yan!
Mamaya yung lalaki pagkata suminaw. Sige, tatlo na lang sa girl and then 2 sa guy. Okay na ba yan?
Michael na lang halikan ko.
Bakit gusto mo? Ano to? Bromance ba to? Yung pala gusto. Mon, please, be a gentleman. Okay, and Justin, I have here my human counter. I'm sorry, Jasmine. Ayun pala ito pala si Aladdin. Yan! He can show you the world. Alright, ready, set. We are going to be beginning in our counting. If you haven't, put your lips somewhere there. Sa malaking T. Pag tinanggal ulit, tama. Sige. Tingnan nyo kung matatanggal ha. Okay, ready, set. Jasmine, are you ready? Bilis, ready, set, go! Okay. Okay, breathing. Breathe out, tubig. Kailangan po natin ng tubig. Para medic. Okay, ready? Grabe, 4 na taon kanyang hinintay. Ngayon, sa UST na siya mag-aaral para sa'yo. 5 seconds. Sila magbibilang, huwag magbawa, problemahin yung bilang. You're gonna be taking care of it. 1 minute? Nako.
1 minute. Sabi ni Jasmine
Yan! At the back of her mind. Yes! Okay, ready, set, go! Come on. Ready? Guys, okay lang kayo till 5 a.m. na wala namang pasok bukas. Okay lang pala. You wanna take it longer? Ay, Mr. Thomas matagal. It's gonna be Jasmine's prom. Guys, thank you for coming to her prom. 7, 8.
Negative
5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1. Sabi kasi nila, pag tinanggal, kasi negative pa lang eh. I think I know my math somehow.
Grabe naman ang haba.
Even if it's not my best subject. Negative, ulitin? Hindi, okay naman. Okay yung ganyan. Ulitin talaga. Sorry man, nagkamali ako. Ano ba? Ulitin. Juan! Ikaw mag-decide. Ulitin ba natin o ano? Kasi syempre ikaw yung biktima dito eh. Biktima ka, diba?
Huwag na, maawa naman kayo. Sa kanya.
Okay, sige, next part na. Bakit tayo matapos eh? Next part, sa girls naman ako magtatanong. Dito tayo sa couple of the night. Next part. Nose! Nose to nose o? Nose to nose. Gano'ng katagal? 10 seconds yan. Umihirap na umihirap. If you... Okay, 10 seconds na. Wala na negative ha? Alright. Grabe yun. Tongue to nose daw. Nose to nose. Okay. Nose to nose. 10 seconds. Nose to nose. Ano? Kayo nung gusto mong nose? Yan eh. Oh, grabe. Nagigilay si Mon, no? Sabi ko kasi 4 years. First kinintay niya. Ready? 10 seconds. Timer starts now.
0. 5.
Ano yung ano? Dapat makita namin. Okay, para dito, ganito. Upo ka rin. Jasmine, naman, upo ka rin. Ayan, para makita. Unfair, hindi namin nakikita. Alright. Ready? Set. Oo nga, Paris na Paris pa to. Romantic. Ready, set, go!
5, 6, 7.
Ano ba ito? Grabe, oh. Meron pa kaming party na napusin. Okay,
5 seconds lang ha. 5 seconds lang ha.
5 seconds. Okay,
Wala na tayo ganito.
Mag-iin na, mga hindi tayo matatapos. Ready, set, go!
0. 1. 2. 3. 4 and a half. 5.
Our next part. Last kiss of the girl to the guy. Next we go to mom kissing Jasmine, alright? Ayun, dun tayo sa, meron ako narinig na siren. Saan? Lips! Lips to what? Lips to lips. May bawal ka. Wala daw ganyan. Lips to esophagus. To jaw daw. Lips to jaw. Sino kikiss? Girl nga pala. Lips ka sa jaw. Huwag mo kagatin ha. Lips to jaw. How long? 5. Let's make it our minimum. Okay, 5 seconds. Lips to jaw. Ready? Counter, go na. Ready, set. Ready muna tayo ng math. 0, 1, tapos 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. After the 4, inhale. That was 1, of course. Okay, ready, set. Go! 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ano? Ulit. 0.
Tagal! Marami naman.
Kunyari pa kayo eh. Nag-itil tayo na kami, nakadikit pa rin eh. Alright, now it's your turn. 1, kissing Jasmine. Which part? Forehead. Neck dito. Neck. Or neck down, neck. Sipin mo na lang. Yan. Okay, neck. Ready? 5 seconds. Next counter. Trabaho counter natin. Okay, next in line. Cadet, what's your name? Okay, Cadet. Hawak mo na yung balon mo, ha?
Hindi, pagtrabaho ko yari ka.
Okay, 5 seconds. Lips to neck. Ready, set, go! 4.
5 na!
Ay ba? Parang na-feel talaga si Mommy. Gusto mo talaga. Ang bilis eh.
Para matapos na.
Parang matapos na. Okay, mamaya na. Isa, last one. Last one. Saan? Muso to. Hindi to pwede.
Bawal!
Saan? Sa...
Bawal nga eh!
Alas na. Sa... Mukha lang ha, saan? Dito.
Abot eh! Bawal!
One, dito lang. How do you call this part? The face. Sa bigote niya.
Wala siyang bigote!
Dito sa... How do you call it? A part on top of the lips. Alright. Dito na. 5 seconds later. Alright, ready? Set.
Wait lang!
Go! Ready, set, go! Dito lang. Ano ba gusto mo? Toothbrush ka muna? Nagaling. Alright, ready, set, go! Ganun ka na lang para wala ano. Para sigurado ka wala sa lips. Kailangan ba lang kapikit pa ka?
Mahirap eh! Wala lang! Hawak ka na!
Okay lang, parang nakasingit ka na naman. Ready? Okay naman! Sabi ko na, kahit yung mo ito eh. Nang birthday ha?
Wala sa baba!
Sa baba, saan baba? Diyan lang.
Mahirap dito eh!
Okay. Dito. Ready? Game na ha?
Okay na!
Okay.
Xavier o Simon?
How about a round of applause for Mama Jasmine and first points. And of course you get a prize. Come on, Jasmine and Ron, get your prizes. Thank you for joining me. Alright, we have another game. I need 3 groups of 4. Kahit barkada. 3 groups of 4. Somebody lend them a camera, please. Camera. Come on, Xavier and Kyle. You already have one? Alright, actually 2. 1 here and... Kyle, ayun daw. Meron ka daw friend dun. Ayan. Please. Thank you. Now, we have here your mission. Alright? Don't open the paper yet. Please hold it. And Kyle and Xavier. Alright? I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. You have to be the first group before you open it. Okay, I have to explain the mechanics. On those papers are 5 items that you have to take a photo of. Alright? Now, you have to return here in 2 minutes, or if you already are done, you have to come over and show me if you got all 5 photos that we're asking for. Now, you can open the paper now. And timer starts now. You have to... Okay, we can use just 1 camera. 1 camera will do. Alright. Now, find and capture the photos. There are 5 items listed in the card. 2 minutes to finish that. If you're the first one, you get a prize. We have a set of song numbers for all of you guys right after this. I brought my friends here for that song number. Alright, we are including the images listed. Alright, we'll check it. And we're going to show you Nancy, our cumulative team over there. Alright. Woo! Come on. I know you can do it. We are almost done with the program. Just a few more performances, some awards to be given away, and then we party hard. It's a Sunday, but it's vacation, so it's okay to get drunk tonight. Alright, are you done? Not yet? If you're done, just come here, we'll check the photos. If you're the first group to finish, then we give